North Face just released this new 12-liter messenger bag for 2023. It's part of the Basecamp Voyager line that's known for its duffels, and I'm not really a messenger bag guy, but after buying this and using it for a bit, it may have changed my mind. Let's start with the detailed look. I bought this almond butter colorway because it looks awesome in person and matches the 2 new travel packs that they released. Starting with the strap, it's well padded and pretty comfortable. The padding on the back is soft, which molded well to my shoulders. And it also has this tiny buckle on a sliding rail, which I admit looks a little out of place, but it's cool because it attaches to this hideable strap on the bottom. And there's a strap on the other side so you can sling it over both shoulders. You'll see this sometimes in running packs, but it's meant to hold the pack closer to your back, like, I don't know, if you like to run with a messenger bag. I'm just kidding. It's useful when I rode my bike because it stopped the pack from bouncing around or sliding to the front. Moving to the front of the bag, I love the look and finish of this pack. Nice color blocking with the tan and the brown and pops of orange, and there's some reflective hits in the corner. It's really slim when it's empty, and at 12 liters, it was perfectly sized for just enough of my stuff. I use it for work, and I'll show you what the bag can store a little later in this video. Especially in this color, it was a nice mix of an outdoorsy look, but also strangely nice enough to just use around the city. And that is thanks to the material, which is definitely a standout, and the same material used on their other travel packs. North Face didn't list the official material specs, but it's some abrasion and water-resistant TPU fabric with a soft, matte finish that made this almond butter colorway look especially great. I also bought this color because the company branding wasn't as visible compared to other colors. One comment I see across all the bag reviews is that people just don't like noticeable branding, and neither do I. Unfortunately, popular brands like North Face and Patagonia tend to have especially large branding on their stuff. There are 2 rows of anchor loops on the side and a little bit on the bottom. There's more anchor loops on the top and a padded handle, and there's nothing on the back. So that's the outside of the pack, and now let's open it up. There's a zip pocket on the front that's the size of the lid, and a fleece line zip pocket on the back that only goes down to about here. And the main area opens up to a pretty simple layout. A couple mesh pockets and a padded fleece-lined laptop sleeve that fits a 16-inch laptop. One small improvement I noticed is that the pocket is wide enough for a 16-inch laptop, but I'm not sure if it's deep enough or tall enough. The bag will still close with larger laptops, but I think a little bit of it will stick over this fleece part. So I do wish North Face made the bag a little taller. When the bag's fully packed out, it takes more of a square shape, but it can also collapse back to slim if it's empty, and again, I really like that. So here's how I pack it out for work. I mentioned it earlier, but I was never a fan of messenger bags because I could never find one that fit. Some were too small and only fit a laptop, or too large like the Peak Design ones, or some were leather that didn't stand up to the rain, etc. But I really like this North Face messenger bag just for its versatility. I found this kind of worked casual and in the office, in the rain or sun, walking or biking, and was just large enough to fit my daily work items and a change of clothes. This messenger bag is a great addition to the Basecamp Voyager line and is a must-have for any North Face fan. And if you like this bag, check out the 2 new travel packs for 2023. I reviewed them in the same almond butter colorway. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Comment below if you want a response, and subscribe for more everyday gear reviews. Thanks!